Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Sony WI-SP510 with Android smartphone. And sadly you can't connect these headphones with a headphones app, but we can still connect them using normal Bluetooth. And to do this, first here are the headphones, and left one, which have the power button. We need to power the headphones on, and right after that keep holding the button. You should enter pairing mode. Now we can move on to the Bluetooth on my phone. Enable it, scroll down, and in available devices we should see them in a second. Here we have it. Click pair. You should hear the Bluetooth connected command, and that means the headphones are connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.